Wagwan YouTube, it's your girl Nishoy, and I'm back with a different type of video today. So today guys, I wanted to show you how to make a reversible mask, rewashable, reusable, everything. Alright guys, so as we know, coronavirus is going on and we all want to protect ourselves, but some persons are out of a job, some persons don't have the money to get a mask basically, and this can be usable. Alright guys, so if you want to see how I achieve this look, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and drop a comment in the comment section.
Let's jump straight into this video, guys. So first and foremost, you're gonna draw your shape, or the shape that you want your mask to be in. You're gonna cut it out. So you can use a square. And I'm going to show you another shape that I'll be using for my mask, or the mask that I'll be making. You're going to cut that out. You can transfer this to a harder piece of board or cardboard or whatever you want to use. There we go. Then you're gonna grab your fabric, your material, your scraps, whatever you wanna call it. I have this hardboard that I've already cut out before I started the video. I just prefer to use a harder piece of material to do the cutout. Now we're gonna trace the shape of the mask that we have drawn on the paper hardboard on the material. Now we're gonna use the pen to dot the line on the material. Then we're gonna pin it just so it won't move and start cutting. So now that we finished cutting out the shape that we all wanted, now we're gonna clean up our station a little bit and then we're gonna continue. Alright guys, so as you can see, I've already gone in and I've sewn one piece of the fabric together already, and now I'm gonna show you how to do the next piece. So we're gonna sew around the curve. You're not gonna sew it too much to the edge, but you're gonna sew it right around the curve. There we go, right where I'm showing you guys. So I'm gonna start sewing now. So we're gonna stick the needle through the tip of the curve. You wanna always ensure that there's a knot on the end of the thread so that it won't loose whenever you're sewing. And you also want to ensure that the middle of the material is pinned together so it won't move out of place. And the stitch that I'm using is the stem stitch. If we all do embroidery, we know the stem stitch that you just go under and pull through and over and pull through. Some people may call it running stitch, but you know. Alright, enjoy guys. Sewing the pieces of fabric together, we're gonna place, or we're just gonna turn it over just to see how they're looking. Don't mind the rugged edges. It is going to be sewn away. There we go guys. Then we're gonna open back the fabric up. We're gonna place it flat on whatever surface you're on. Then we're gonna put both right sides together. We're gonna tuck it in just so that it's in place, it's not moving. We can do whatever we want with it now. So we're just gonna lay it back flat on the table, and now we're gonna grab our elastic bands. You wanna ensure that it's stretchy enough. Now what we're gonna do with this elastic band, we're gonna place it in between the fabrics, and you wanna ensure that it's on the right side, guys. Then you're gonna grab whatever pin you have, whether you have common pins or bobby pins, whatever pin you have, you're gonna use it to pin the elastic band in place, as you see me doing now, guys. And you're gonna do this for the other side of the mask also. So we're gonna proceed to sew the edges of the mask together. As you can see, I've already gone in and done that, but we're gonna sew right around the perimeter of the mask. Alright guys. All of it, you're gonna leave a space to turn the right side over. So let me just finish up. right here, and then we continue. Now we're gonna turn over the mask. You're gonna pull the right side through that little space that you left for you to pull it through. As you see me doing right now, pull, 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 pull. There we go. Now you're gonna grab a sharp object, a pen, a pencil, a scissor, whatever, to push the edges of the material up just to ensure that the shape is intact. There we go. And then we're gonna grab our pressing iron and we're gonna press this thing out